If, when you power on your MKS DLC board and check the Wi-Fi networks, you don't see MKS DLC32, it's likely that the Wi-Fi on your board is disabled. To enable Wi-Fi, we need to interact with the board via USB. In this video, I'm using the online program serialterminal.com. After connecting the USB, I connect at 115 baud. Once connected, to verify the connection, I type $, and I should receive the GRBL parameters. If I get the parameters, it means the connection with the board is correct. If nothing appears, there may be connection issues, which I won't cover in this video. Next, I send the command ESP115 to check the Wi-Fi status. It will probably be off. Then, I send the command 150 = ON and receive OK, which means the command was successfully received by the board. Now, if you check your computer's Wi-Fi networks, you should see the MKS DLC32 board in the list. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and a comment. Thanks.